how you can use DeepSeek AI. So it has been launched recently and it's going crazy for the past few days. And in this video, I will be comparing both DeepSeek and ChatGPT. I have base model for both of them, so let's see how they perform. So let's start with the basic. As DeepSeek is recently launched, it doesn't have many features like ChatGPT has create image option and preloaded options that you can select and get started with ChatGPT. Same goes for the voice mode. In DeepSeek, you do not have the voice mode as of right now. So apparently DeepSeek R1, which is the cause of DeepSeek popularity, and it's been competing with ChatGPT paid model, which is $200 or so, and on DeepSeek it is completely for free as of right now. Again, you have search option both in ChatGPT and DeepSeek. Now let's start with the prompt. I will going to give both of them the same prompt, and let's see which of them gonna give me better results, and let's see how they are going to perform. Now as you can see, ChatGPT has completed the code before DeepSeek, and in the ChatGPT you also have the preview option because DeepSeek has that. So ChatGPT decided to launch that feature on ChatGPT itself. So let's click always allow, and as you can see we have our calculator right here. If I click on run HTML, as you can see both of them has the same results. I think DeepSeek looks much better, especially with the consistency and the design sense, whereas ChatGPT has inconsistent design sense and doesn't have a sense of distance, I guess. You can also try a bunch of things with DeepSeek new DeepThink feature, which is called R1, and let me show you what it is going to look like. So as you can see, after giving it the same prompt, it is going to give it a thought process. The longer the prompt, more time it is going to take for the thinking process, and then of course it is going to give you much better results. So yeah, let's see how long the R1 model will going to be free. As of right now it is free, but what will become of this DeepThink R1 model? Thanks for watching. Leave a like and comment.